How to change email on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how we're going to change our Binance account email in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, you're going to come over to Binance.com and you're going to make sure to log in with your account, okay? Now once you're logged in with your account, you're going to go to the account section. We're just going to give you a whole widget of the account lists, and you're going to go into your account's security. Okay, and if you go into your account security over there, obviously it's going to give you your email options. Okay, so if I were to show you Binance security, I'm just going to go here, and it's going to give you the email section in the security. And basically the drop down menu is going to look something like this. Okay, it's going to give you 2FA, two-factor authentication and all. So what you're going to do after going to security is you're going to go to your email, which is going to be right here. You're going to go on to manage. And then once you go on to manage, you're just going to click on the edit icon and then change your email to whatever email you want to change it to. And yeah, that is basically how you are going to change your Binance email. You're going to get a reconfirmation on Binance as well. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.